Welcome to my truck. Puto, open the door. Charge fucking heater, nigga. Why is the AC on? Today we're gonna end up installing, what is it, a Toyota 93? Nissan! Nissan. This is how you keep your eye on one. We're gonna do a stereo install, you know, but first we need to go pick up some shit. Damn, I need to start cussing too. Welcome to my channel! It's straight up cold. It's like 30 something degrees outside. I ain't gonna lie.
Old school some bitch. We're doing a stereo install. Now the previous owners, what they ended up doing was they were so smart, they ended up cutting out the complete wire harness for it. So since they cut off the whole entire wire harness, now we have to match the body harness cable to the stereo cables. So that's gonna be fun, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. And then we also go to GameStop to go pick up some games. You know. It's hella cold outside. Oh snap! What is cold? Nigga, look at shorts. Alright, you gotta calm the fuck down, guys. It's cold, nigga. Huh? I ain't gonna lie, dude. You wanna go race on the track? At the racetrack.
I really thought I went down, like, is there a racetrack over here? Like,
say fuck it. We at GameStop. Going AutoZone, in the zone. Call Franklin.
Calling Franklin.
Hi, Franklin as, hey, it's Franklin.
Hey, it's Franklin.
Yo.
Hey.
Fucking god,
Hey, it's
pronounced Audi. Audi. That's Audi.
Audi.
Porsche.
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 Porsche. I don't know, some fucking German motherfucker says Porsche.
Alright, so let's do this. Let's get this shit working. You wanna tell them what the fuck happened?
No.
You wanna tell them who did what? So what happened here? These dumb they ended up cutting the antenna cable and they ended up cutting all this off. So now we have to figure out what wire does what now. And that's the fun part about it. 12 volt battery, red, white stripe.
Lower down the fuse.
Oh goddamn! I found it.
Where?
This one.
Did you hit the metal?
Yeah. I found it. Just doing.
Where would it be at?
That's all I'm doing. And then just cutting.
Right by itself, or?
You can twist it, like put your thumb here and just to metal and getting the ground up in there. Look, wrap it right here. Here, make it longer. So the GoPro just died and we didn't even notice that shit. So we ended up putting all the cables. I'll put the thing in the link. We ended up just grounding it here because it's grounding to the chassis. It'll be aight. Another thing, now it works, so we know it works. Now we just gotta test the audio. I'll put the diagram up here that we used. We only have 2 speakers here in the front, so we don't need nothing crazy. Everything else, the rear speakers, I just taped off individually. Don't put them together, please don't.
Don't do what we did.
And then if anything, you add the rear speakers, just undo it and put it on, call it a day. So yeah, we're about to test out to see if it has music right now. We're about to test out, we're downloading the app because it's an app thing. These 2 wires, I don't know what the hell they're for. I ain't gonna lie. These 2 wires, I don't know what they're for. I ain't gonna lie either. It says amp, so I gotta find out if it's like, because these are running off an amp or something, but we'll find out. So yeah,